Hi guys, you're on Illumination channel. Today I'll tell you how to play Bridge. Bridge is a hard, it's a complicated and intellectual card game, point-and-shoot card game that is based on the card game Whist. I made a video about the game, and it has several variations. In the video, I will tell you about the contract bridge, which is very similar to a card game such as Preference. So if you're able to play at least one of them, then it's easy for you to understand contract bridge. So I will only tell the differences between those games. Also, some people consider bridge as the hardest card game ever. So yeah. The game is using a regular deck of 52 cards from 2 twists without jokers. The rank of trump and non-trump cards is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Jack, Queen, King, Ace. The amount of players is always 4 divided into 2 teams of 2 players. The objective is getting the highest amount of points. Deal. Each player is getting 13 cards with 1 card at a time. Then the deal ends and the gameplay begins. Alright. Always, sorry. No, bidding begins instead of gameplay. So yeah. The leftmost player sitting near the dealer goes first. So everyone is. Oh wait, no. So basically, you can announce double to to increase what to increase basically increase plus and minus points. So yeah, and after doubling, next player can announce redouble to increase already doubled points, and any contract announced after the announcement of double instantly cancels the double the announcement of double. So yeah, the so so the bidding ends and the gameplay begins after every choice. The the bidding winner is called declarer, and the left the leftmost player sitting near the declarer goes first. Also, declarer's teammate, basically their cards are called the dummy hand, and basically after the first trick they are revealed to everyone, and the declarer will always put cards instead of the owner, which means that even though there are 4 players, but only 3 are actually playing. So yeah. So the deal. Oh wait, no. The gameplay ends and the scoring begins after receiving every trick. Uh, basically, so a trick higher than 6 is basically gives 20 points if oh right, sorry, forgot to say. The game also has the ring of suits, which is clubs, diamonds, hearts, and spades, but it only matters in bidding. So basically, you can announce clubs as trump. What if one heart, then you can announce diamonds as trump, then hearts as trump, and finally wait, no, the space trump, and then finally the the announcement of no Trump. So yeah, basically any trick higher than six gives 20 points if if clubs or diamonds are Trump. So yeah, any trick higher than six gives 30 points if spades, basically if hearts or spades or Trump. And any trick higher than 6 gives 40 points if there is no Trump. Points, Trump, Trump, but 30, basically, and 30 points for each extra trick. So 100 points for successfully completed contract gives one game. So extra trick if diamonds or clubs or trumps gives 20 points. Extra trick gives 30 points if spades, hearts, or zero suits or trumps. So getting two games when the opposing team has zero games gives 700 points. Getting two games if the opposing team has at least one game gives 500 points. The team with one game becomes vulnerable. That means they're basically getting higher, but also they're getting higher points, but also higher points in minus. So um, small slam, which is a successfully completed contract of 12 tricks, gives 500 points or 750 if the owners are having the status of are having the vulnerable status. Grand Slam, which is a successfully completed contract of 13 tricks, gives 1000 points or 1500 points if owners are having the vulnerable status. So a failed contract gives minus 50 points for each trick not received. It's called under trick. Also, the extra tricks are also called over tricks. Oh, and so the tricks not received are also giving minus 100 points if owners are having the vulnerable status. So the announcement of double from bidding. Oh wait, no, I already told you about that. So basically the announcement of double gives 50 points after the successful contract. So doubled extra trick gives 100 points or 200 if owners are having the vulnerable status. A doubled doubled trick not received gives minus 300 points, minus 200 for the first trick. So the announcement of redouble Quick double. Oh wait, no, I already told you about that too. So the game ends after one of the teams getting at least two games. Then the team with the highest amount of points wins, while the opposing team loses. So yeah. Alright, I'll told you everything about this game. Hope you enjoyed it. Let's see, hope you now know how to play Contract Bridge. And since I have nothing else to say, I'm ending this video right now. So goodbye, everyone.